Yes sir, it's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know this hot play that I'm looking at going into next week and the next couple weeks, even out to a month. Because usually when I come out and I say, hey, this is the one, this stock, keep an eye on it, it's about to go, it usually happens fairly quickly. But sometimes, you know, things could happen. Overall market all depends on how it's holding up and what it's doing for the stock to actually play out. So we're gonna get right into that. But before we do that, we're gonna do a rundown on how VIP been doing. They've been killing it. Like I said, if you want to join VIP, just go to the home page using the YouTube app, click join. Third tier get you into, you know, the infrastructure, so you be able to see the plays each day. And the last tier, they get you the same thing plus access to me if you need help, one-on-ones, anything like that, quick phone calls, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. Shout out to my guy Warello, 1300 1350 off meta puts. Great day after a choppy 2 days. Thank you. Up 22% on the week, taking the day off and protecting capital. That's what I love. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got the right mindset, don't even come around me. Not just with stocks and investments and all that. I'm talking about in real life. If you ain't got the right mindset, I don't even want you around me. That's why I hang by myself. And I got friends, but on the day-to-day, I'd rather be solo dolo. Right here, up on Tesla and SPY puts today, 200. Love that, solid. My girl Miss Simmons, slow day, but 3K on the day. That's a slow day for Miss Simmons. 3,000 on the day. Shout out to her. Remember, she did $30,000 in a single day on puts, then $8,000 day. She been killing it. You know what I'm saying? 750. My guy Louise. Another one sold more, total profit 2,000. So these one of the banger plays I'm talking about, but this ain't the one. But these one of the ones. I'm gonna give you two, and Tesla is one of them. But even though I say Tesla may go up, I'm looking for the downside as well. You get what I'm saying? Even if it goes up short term to bounce off this level and then continue to go lower, we got to see how the overall market react. Usually whenever the market has been in a downtrend, even if it, you know, stays in this trend and continue to sell off and correct itself even more, usually a strong bounce will come, a nice spike, to try and scare those people out of those put positions that's in leaps or whatever the case may be. Try to get them out of those positions, shake the tree a little bit before rerouting and going down. As a day trader, that's the whole point. I just care about the meat of the move, taking advantage of the moment for that moment. So a nice spike, and then once it spikes, see how it calibrates, see how it holds up, whether the market starts to reverse or not, which I won't care. I'm just in it, you know, for the spike. And if it don't spike, I'm gonna let you know exactly where to watch for the further downturn. That's the great thing about it. I'm not just biased one way and sticking with what I say. You know what I'm saying? That could change. I could say, yeah, I expect this to do blase whoop whoop, but time tomorrow come, the market shows something different, I'm going puts. I don't give a damn what I just said. You know what I'm saying? So you got to make it make sense. It ain't up to me, it's up to the market. And I decide with the market, but I can't have a bias of what I'm leaning towards before the market even opens. So why is this 363, 362 level important? Let me show you why. I call this wave from $400, a $40 drop. Most people ain't doing it like that. They'll say, hey man, we looking for downside. Or they'll say, if it's at 400, they'll say 397, 390, 398, the next level, $2-3 difference. No, I'm calling $30-40 calls. And that's with respect for the market. That's not ego driven. That's just calling it is what it is. I did it. Tesla. Downside potential 378, 375, and then 362. And really from 390, after that break of 390, straight to 362. It just on Friday, that's how it played out. It's just I had to do that. You know what I'm saying? But right here, if price loses 378, weakness may accelerate towards 375, break down below 375, open the door for further downside into 362. That's still a what? $10-13 drop, which is crazy. You feel me? You don't just call out stuff like that with no, you know what I'm saying, for no reason. But anyways, Oracle, that's the one I'm gonna be looking at as well. Heavy hitter, especially if the market is, you know, if the market spikes back to the upside, I'm gonna definitely be watching this hard. And even just long term, like even just like, you know, further out, even if it don't happen tomorrow, next week, week after that, is definitely well overdue. SPY has been on a downward spiral for 4 weeks now. So I am expecting a little, you know, push back up to scare some of y'all out. And then if it wants to drop, we'll decide that after we see, you know, how it holds up after the spike. And from here, right here, if it don't bounce off 645, 646, it's going to go lower. It'll go down to 642. 642 don't hold, it's going to 640. 640 don't hold, it's going to 635. And then towards 630. Remember, months and months and months back, 630 was the peak. So, and it was high. The market was high then. So even though it done fell from what it was, 690, 700, all the way down, what, $50+, it's still high. That's how crazy the market has ran up. You see, in the past year, it's still up 15%, $100. So don't take, you know, I just expect a temporary spike up because the market is still high as hell and got more room to come down. So next week, I'll also be watching Beyond Meat. They report earnings, Wednesday after the close. Let me fact check that and make sure. Don't want to give you no wrong information. Earnings. We got Wednesday after the close, Beyond Meat. I'm gonna be watching that. They also have to reach compliance, so they need to get back over $1. So I'm gonna be watching that pretty heavy. You already know what to do though, guys. Like I say, be smart. Don't be in a rush. Take it one day at a time. Size down if you're having trouble in the market. Take your emotions out of it. That's how you take your emotions out of it, by not being overly aggressive, trying to hit a home run every single day. Take those small wins and let them add up. Even if you got to get down to $50 wins, $100 wins, $30 wins, and only losing $10, $15. You feel me? Build up that nest egg. Now you could go a little, you know, you can aim a little bit more within the markets because you got cushion to back you up just in case you fall. So you already know what to do. I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the @BHaysShow_. Feel free to join VIP. Like I said, go to the YouTube app, click join on the home page. 3rd tier, they give you access to the structure of what I just showed you with Tesla. You would already knew where we're going. You feel me? Tesla start trending to the downside. You like, but where does it stop at? Where does it end at? Where does it? Hayes is telling you. I'm telling you every single day exactly where these stocks are headed before they even go there. And almost every single day, they hitting the levels like no other. Even to the upside. You got it in the chokehold. It goes up, you know where it's going. It goes down, you know where it's going. And you got context right under levels. I ain't just saying, hey, it's going here, it's going here, it's going here. I'm giving you the context right underneath that, so you can follow suit and learn as you go. You already know what to do. I love you. We out. God bless you.